What's up, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to do a 5-0 to fakie. Before you learn this trick, you need to know how to do a 50-50 to fakie, a 5-0, and a pivot to fakie. You really need to have all those tricks down pretty well. You need to have a pretty good, solid pivot fakie before you do this trick, because this trick's a little bit harder. Actually grinding and then going in fakie, you're going a little bit faster, so it's good to have those tricks down. So to do this trick, you're going to approach the coping at a slight angle. As soon as your back heel side wheel hits the coping, you're going to put all your weight on your back foot and your back heel side wheel, pinch it up against the coping. You don't want to rest the toe side wheel against the coping because it's just going to be impossible to go to fakie. So you want to have most of the board hanging in the ramp for this trick. At least most of the tail and the back truck hanging in the ramp. So all your weight is on your heel, on your back foot the whole time you're grinding. Your shoulders are parallel with the coping, but then as you go into the ramp, you're going to put all your weight on your toe, on your back foot, and you're going to push the board back in as you turn your shoulders the direction you want to go. So your back shoulder is going to turn perpendicular to the coping. It's going to turn so you can go straight back into the ramp. Your eyes and your face, your head is going to be looking into the ramp. You're going to be looking the direction you go. You're going to be facing your shoulders in that direction, and all your weight's going to your toe. You're pushing in, lifting the front trucks up to make sure you don't hang up. After your front wheels are past the coping, you can put your foot back down, stay over your bolts, stay centered, keep your shoulders over your bolts, keep your hips under your shoulders, and keep your balance and roll away. It's easier to learn this trick on a wooden ramp because it slides better. It's also easier to learn this on an indoor wooden ramp because it's really dusty and it slides even more than an outdoor wooden ramp would. It's good to have hard wheels when you're first learning this trick. And I would learn this trick on a smaller mini ramp. It might be easier on a bigger mini ramp, but you're taking a lot of risks if you're doing this on a bigger ramp for the first time, because it's definitely easy to hang up on this trick. The worst thing that could happen is you hang up and you fall to your back and the back of your head at the bottom of the ramp. That is really bad. You really don't want to hang up on this trick. So make sure you really lift your front wheels up and really push with your back foot. Really pull your board off the coping into the ramp and push it with that back foot. This is my indoor ramp. I'm lucky to have it, especially on days when it rains. I'll skate this ramp. If anybody wants to play a game of skate with me that lives in the Lexington area, let me know. Hit me up. I'll play a game of skate with you on this ramp. If you beat me on this ramp, I'll probably post it on YouTube. I feel bad about posting games of skate when I win. I just feel like a horrible person. So I really just want to play games of skate with people who are better than me. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, hit that subscribe button. And thanks for watching.